Welcome to a quick guide of 1 of 10. In this review, we'll be covering its features, pros and cons, pricing, and by the end, you'll be able to decide if this is the right choice for you. 1 of 10 is a data-driven platform designed to help YouTube creators find high-performing video ideas by tracking millions of outliers, videos that perform exceptionally well relative to others on the same channel. This tool aims to streamline the content creation process, thus providing insights into potential video topics, titles, and thumbnails that are likely to attract more views. The features include advanced filters, which precisely target your research to find the most relevant outliers. A competitor tracker. You can monitor high-performing videos across all channels. You also have the thumbnail vision board, where you get to save top thumbnail picks for later inspiration. With 1 of 10, you could also discover more videos around outliers which you find interesting. It also has a community engagement feature where you get to engage with other creators for insights and idea sharing. You also have an access to a vast database of high-performing videos for inspiration. When it comes to the pros and cons, we will definitely need to talk about these so you can make an informed decision. The pros come with data-driven insight as it provides reliable inspiration based on proven high-performing videos. You have comprehensive features such as advanced filters, competitor tracking, and more thorough research. If you'd like to collaborate with other creators, you have a collaborative community to engage with other creators, which provides a platform to share ideas and insights. On the flip side, the learning curve could take time to master with its extensive features. And now I'd like to talk about the pricing. There are two pricing options, namely the monthly and the yearly. If you're going for monthly, you will be paying $49 per month. However, you get to save 40% if you go for the yearly. Of course, there are other alternatives such as the TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Morning Fame. You can go ahead and try these different options to get the best for you. But with these features which we've mentioned on 1 of 10, you can put them side by side and stack them up and see which measures best. In all, 1 of 10 is quite a powerful tool for YouTube creators looking to boost their views by leveraging data-backed insights. With the features we've mentioned and community support, this makes it a valuable resource for serious content creators. However, it could be a downside with the pricing if you're on a low budget. So there you have it. If you've got more questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comment section below. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.